Welcome to our lesson about using the Mute tool. The Mute tool is located right here on the toolbar. It's the X icon and it's blue when it's active. Mute is an easy way to stop hearing just a particular event. Your track will continue to play minus the muted event. It's different than muting a track, which you do from the inspector panel or from the track list. The Mute tool is a convenient way just to mute a piece of a track to see what it sounds like without that part of the audio. To unmute an event, click on the muted event with the Mute tool again, and it becomes unmuted. If we drag with the Mute tool, we can mute many events at a time. The same action will also unmute events that are currently muted. Again, no changes are made to the source audio, and this concludes our lesson about using the Mute command.